Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
LifeSpark Technologies has created solutions for care in chronic neurological conditions such as stroke, Parkinson's disease, spinal cord injury, and more.
I'm Amey Desai. I'm the founder of LifeSpark Technologies. LifeSpark is a startup based at IIT Bombay, and we are making solutions for neurological diseases such as Parkinson's disease and stroke. My journey started when I was developing prosthetics as part of my final year project. And we were working on why prosthetics are not commonly used even by individuals that have them. Now with these prosthetics, one of the major issues that occurred was that of adherence. Prosthetics don't have feedback. Much like you can feel where your fingers are in space, you cannot feel where the end of the prosthetic is in space. And so people tend to stop using it and prefer to use the remaining limb, which does have sensation. Now as I was looking into how to improve this, the concept of biofeedback came to me. And I saw that it has so many applications, especially in neurological diseases. Now, I had a special interest in working for the elderly because I was caring for my own grandfather who was quite old at the time. And so, we developed product Walk. Now, Walk is a wearable device which helps people who have neurological conditions such as Parkinson's disease and stroke. This individual in the video has issues with walking. He tends to stumble because he feels like his feet are stuck to the floor. Now with our device, as on the right side, you can see that his walking is significantly improved. The way we do this is, we use mild vibrations on the lower thighs to improve the sensory integration that is happening in this individual. In a normal person, the spinal cord handles automatic activities such as walking. But in diseases such as Parkinson's disease, due to inconsistent input from the brain, they are not able to do this. So, by activating the muscles in these areas in a specific pattern and at specific times during their walking, we are able to better improve this integration. We have tried this with over 100 individuals and seen excellent results. Walk is a boon for those people for whom medications doesn't work. In Parkinson's, medications typically only works for a short while or doesn't work for symptoms such as walking. And we believe that with this device and the data that comes from it, we will be able to significantly contribute to the quality of life of these individuals. Issues with walking can lead to falls and hip fractures, and which can significantly reduce the quality of life. And improving the quality of life is our main motto at LifeSpark. Along with Parkinson's disease, which has an estimated 7 to 10 lakh people in India and up to 1 crore people all over the world who are affected, we also work with stroke and other such neurological diseases. Now, stroke has a much larger prevalence, about 14 lakh individuals throughout India. And we can make a large impact in the lives of these people, get them back to a place where they can work and earn for their families, and generally improve the quality of life for these thousands of people across India. Thank you.